Welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's review in this video tutorial entire feature of Virtual DJ Advance 2021. What are the feature and how can be use of this all feature to have effective content, either it's a video mashup, audio mashup, or any remix songs. So see guys here, lot of the feature have been given here. Why I'm telling you, because see, if you would like to just quickly, I would like to show you how it's a music by making this. Suppose so of course guys, very interesting and very in a rhythm vocal sound, fixed rhythm of any content, either it's a vocal, instrumental, bass, kick, hi-hat, of course all the things you can do it. I would like to show you here. See in Steam, what are the feature here? Steam, hot clear, slicer, sampler. So see guys here, lot of the feature have been given here. Similarly, in effects of this ones, yes, 2-3 option has been added, delay, reverb, and yes, balance fader is also, detune is also, half speed is also, yes, loop count, loop cut, shrink loop. Shrink loop is a very quietly good. How it is? Let's see guys here, if I would like to have quickly from here, just I would like to show you this music. See here. So for this time in 4 seconds of this one, I would like to have from here. Now see. Now see. So see how quickly it's going to shrink, and it will be up to the especially I mean, now see how it's going 1/30 reduce and sync of this music. So of course you can have the effective of this music also by having these features. So see guys, if you would like to change the screen mode of this virtual DJ, of course you can have by clicking setting here, setting to just go for interface to here. Now see, this is a block options. Now see how it is designed. Now I would like to show you default options. So default, and this is your design, and if you would like to old model, of course we can have this design. If you would like to have a controller, so we can have a this much like design. Now see, if you would like to have a DDJ design, of course all the feature guys. Now see here, if you would like to have ZTS, now see guys here, if you would like to have her close, now see this one. If you would like to have jog grid, now see. If you would like to have touch screens, now see. If you would like to have old school, now see guys. Of course if you would like to party mix, now see guys. Now see guys here, Pointer DJ, Project X slider, quietly good. So it's going to have a time here guys. Now see, if you would like to Project X volume, now see it's going to Project X. Now 8-day guys. Now see here. Now see, you can have 8 9 music from here, and you can directly according to your own visualization select and you can play. One by one I will show you actually how you will play. But basic feature, if you know that especially, then of course you can play in any skin. Now see here, virtual DJ, this one. Now any video, just a vinyl video. Now see guys here, this one. Now see virtual pointer. Now I will come, just I will select this old one because I like this ones. Now just let me come on blocks. Let's see. No, I don't require of the blocks, just I will go fold. Yeah, this one I want. So now see guys, it's in a default. Now similarly I would like to see in a video skin if you would like to change. Now see, especially now I would like to show you, suppose this one, let me have zoom. Now see, here is a none, so let me keep it a small size. Now see guys here, if you would like to go for live, how it is. Now see, it's a live. For broadcast, of course this size will be for live. I would like to show you, see guys, it will be like that. If I go for blacks, so now see, it will be like that. And if I would like to play, now see. So see guys here, I don't want this ones, broadcast tracks. Now see guys here, I would like to show you. So of course you can have a camera here also, and then but directly you can broadcast. Either it's Facebook, Twitter, of course YouTube and Instagrams. So how it is easy guys. And broadcasting is highly easy by using this tool. I have already uploaded so many videos that how you will go for directly live any content, either video, audio format on your any social media, either it's your Twitter, Facebook, YouTube or Instagrams. And here is your camera if you would like to have directly, of course by a webcam, USB cam, you can directly have your camera here. Not much less guys. Now see here, disco theme now, highly quietly good. So let me have here just in a loop, because as we know that if the more sound I will play, then might be it will violate a copyright guidelines. So that's why I would like to just let me have all ones. It will be for only 16 seconds. That will be fine from a starting point. So let me cloth, let me two now 16s. Yeah, fine. Now see guys, in disco, what is it? Let's see. Now see guys, so it's your 4 disco. Now once again I will come Let me see my record. Yes, it is recording. Yes. Now it's full. Now just I will scroll down, guys. Here now see show many wave and title. Of course we can go for wave ribbon, we can go for here now television size. Now see guys, let's see. So of course we can have, suppose in title GX, of course we can have. Now see here we can have this one also, minimalist. Now see, yes, we can have the broadcaster, this one. Now see broadcaster, this one's. Now see guys, so highly useful guys, in a comparison with the previous one version of especially VirtualDJ, of course. So it's related to the screen, and I will show you so many feature. Video will be lengthy. In the next video tutorial specific each by each, for example in a kick how many features I have been added here, in a vocal feature how many added, and especially instrumental, these all are, but this is for skins guys. This is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed.